Today we're going to solve all of your hamburger problems with one amazing recipe. I am going to show you how to make the most juicy hamburgers that are easy to make, and they are going to be delicious. And by the end of this video, you will be a burger pro. So let's get started with our ingredients. We'll start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now you want 80-20. That means 80% of this is going to be lean beef and 20% is going to be fat. That fat will render out and make your burgers super juicy. We also need a 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. This will add a ton of flavor. You don't want to miss this. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Now, this is for a good amount of flavor. If you want more, you can always add a little bit more. But start here and then taste as you go. And lastly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cold water. This is really important. It's going to help keep our patties nice and moist while they're cooking. Now, let's go ahead and get to work. First thing we need to do is to preheat our grill. You want to get that to medium-high, about 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the grill is heated, you need to brush the grates with a little bit of oil. This will prevent our burgers from sticking. Now we will start making the patties. So in a large bowl, you will gently mix together your ground beef, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And again, you want to be gentle. You don't want to overmix this. You just want to combine all the ingredients. Once it's combined, you're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. So I like to use a scale to weigh them out. That way you know they're even. Then you're going to form them into patties. You want them to be about 3/4 inch thick. Now here's a pro tip. If you want your burgers to be extra juicy, take 1 tablespoon of mayo or grated onion and add it to your meat mixture. All right, now we're ready to roll. Now we need to press our thumb into the center of each patty. Sounds crazy, but hear me out. This will help prevent the patties from puffing up while they're cooking. And then we will place them on the grill. Now we're going to cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes on the first side. This will allow the juices to come out, and it will let them brown a little bit. Once they've browned and you see some juices on top, it's time to flip them. We will cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes for medium doneness. If you like your burgers more, well done. You can always cook them a little bit longer. Now, if you're adding cheese, you want to put it on in the last minute of cooking. While our burgers are resting, we will now toast our buns. You want to put them on the grill, cut side down, and toast them for about 30 seconds. Now we're ready to finish up. All you have to do is stack your burger with your favorite toppings and then serve it up. I know you will love this burger because it's juicy, it's flavorful, and it's easy to make. The perfect meal for the college crowd. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more awesome recipes. Catch you later.